Introducing Meiban Futures Factory based on Industry 4.0. What is iSmart's factory? It basically means being smart in planning, production, quality control, logistics and many other areas of manufacturing in Meiban. iSmart's factory is based on 3 core pillars: smart technology development, established linked intelligence on our integrated innovative systems for better visualization and data analytics. Human-centric solutions focus on people as key players via user-centric design in the wondrous world of intuitive human-machine interaction. The third pillar is talent development, with training and reprofiling of staff under Teaching Factory in Meiban. We qualify staff according to iSmart's factory standards. What can iSmart's factory do for Meiban? Increase productivity, upgrade skill sets for staffs, and most importantly, allowing better data analysis for business management. iSmart's factory, many new opportunities await.